Hello everyone and welcome to this week's video. I took up knitting this year and I've been loving it, but that also means I've been overdoing it. And now my hands are very sore, so I need to give them a rest. I find it hard to keep still, so today as I was thinking what I could do to give them a rest but still be productive, I thought I could do a very quick studio tour. So I cleaned up the large amount of daily cat hair decorations on the surface to avoid triggering those of you with cat allergies. Let's start with the corner at the left of the window. Here I have an IKEA drawer unit, and on top of it is where my unreliable Epson printer lives. I swear I hate that thing. On top of the window I have a shelf to display either work that I've finished or that I'm still processing. And as we turn to the right, that is where the meat of the whole thing is. A second-hand IKEA wall thingy with holes, where I currently keep some art supplies handy. On top is one of the 3 prints by one of my favorite artists, Kellogg's Loops. And where my catnip calendar hangs from. Another IKEA drawer unit with a bunch of supplies on top that need to be tidied. But I'm just gonna leave them like that for now. This here is my painting desk and the supplies I reach to most for. And next to it, my computer desk, where I, do computery things. It's also where Pixel's bed is. I was writing the script for this video, and as you can see, Pixel has already joined me. He's sleeping there, and of course, the desk already has cat hair again. He's a bit sad because I told him that he's not going to eat as much anymore because he's really getting chubby. So I'm waiting until 1 o'clock, well it's already 10 past 1, to give him some food. So I'm gonna go do that. Hope you're enjoying the video so far. This here I call my mind vault, where I keep all my journals, planners, file faxes, and also my field sketchbooks. It stands wobbly just like my mental health. Oh, quick shout out to my unfinished painting, sitting sad and abandoned in the corner. Yes, it sits there because it's grounded. On the other side, more IKEA furniture, because I have no personality and need to copy the other girlies who also have these shelves. Joking aside, these are excellent for storing everything. The organization is still a work in progress. Maybe this will be the year where I finally find its final form. Oh, that is a naughty painting I did over 20 years ago. No comment. I still love it. And we are back where we started, because I forgot to tell you that the drawer unit is where I store all my paper for art. I swear that has got to be the most used IKEA piece by artists, and with good reason. Just make sure not to load it too heavily to avoid sagging. I am quite blessed to have this space inside my home, and I don't want any of you to believe you need a dedicated room to make art. When I decided to become serious about making art, I would paint at our dinner table, keeping my supplies in one of my rolly carts. When we moved to another apartment, I set up a table in a corner of our living room and was able to make that my studio. I did get a vinyl floor thingy to protect it, so I would highly recommend doing that if you want to be a bit messier with your art. As long as you can have good lighting, you can make any corner in your home your creating nook. Actually, now that I said that, let me know in the comments if you would like to get any ideas on how to do that. I would be happy to help. I'm sorry there was no painting involved in this video. But as I said, I need to keep my hands resting, and believe it or not, being at the computer is not as taxing as other things are. And don't worry, I have started with some light exercises already to strengthen my arms and thus keep my tendons and ligaments safe. Thanks so much for watching, for liking the video and leaving a comment. Catch you in the next one. Bye!